Daycare owners, pulling a few things today can make filing your 2025 tax return so much easier. Now, you don't need a full bookkeeping overhaul today, and you also don't need to sort every receipt in your office. However, you do need 3 things in one place so your numbers are easier to confirm and deductions are easier to claim. The first thing to pull today is your income summary, because income is the foundation of your return and it's the easiest place to spot missing information early. You can start with your bank deposits for 2025 and any reports from the systems you use to collect tuition, like your child care management software, a payment processor, or invoices. Your goal is to get a clear picture of what came in during 2025, then compare it to your deposits so you can catch gaps now instead of discovering them during filing. The second thing to pull today is your largest expense proof, because daycares usually spend money in a few big categories that drive the return. You can grab your 2025 bank statements and credit card statements, then highlight the big buckets that show up month after month, like payroll, rent, utilities, insurance, and supplies. You can also pull records for recurring charges that are easy to overlook, like software subscriptions, training, licensing renewals, background checks, and professional fees. This step matters because statements show the full pattern of spending even when receipt is missing, and patterns help your CPA categorize expenses quickly and accurately. The third thing to pull today is your payroll and contractor records, because labor is usually the largest cost in a daycare and it often creates the biggest tax issues when it's incomplete. Gather your payroll reports for 2025, including total wages and any employer taxes you paid, and you can also gather any 1099 information for contractors you paid, such as cleaning crews, maintenance help, or curriculum consultants. Be sure to include proof of payments when you do not have a formal receipt, because your CPA still needs to see what you paid and when you paid it. Once you pull these 3 items, you can put them in one folder that is clearly labeled, and you can help keep everything else you find going forward in the same place. You will feel the difference immediately because you're not starting from zero. When you finally sit down to prep, and your CPA can move faster when the basics are already organized. After you pull these 3 things, put a 15-minute money check on your calendar for the first week of every month so you stay caught up instead of getting frustrated later. During that check, you can glance at your deposits, scan your bigger expenses, and make sure payroll or contractor payments look right. You can also drop any new receipts or invoices in the same folder while you are already in it. When you handle small updates monthly, tax time stops feeling like a full year cleanup project. I'm Kim Clenny, a licensed CPA in Montgomery, Alabama, and I've helped businesses and individuals for over 20 years. And I'm offering a free session to help you get your 2025 daycare taxes organized now before the 2026 filing rush, so you have a clear plan instead of being overwhelmed at the last minute. During this session, we will review what came in and what went out for your daycare at a high level, and I will point out deductions that daycare owners often miss. We will talk through changes that affect your 2025 return, and we will map out what documents you need and when they are due so you know exactly what to do next. After you request a time, our team will reach out to confirm your appointment. Request your time now, and let's get your 2025 daycare taxes organized early.